kanker kulit, maaf kanker kulit kadang-kadang sampai semuanya ini harus terangkat, itu nggak perlu. Sudah ada Curaderm kalau nggak salah, dan mudah-mudahan kita bisa punya ininya di Indonesia. Actually natural, stem cell itu ciptaan Allah. Ya, it's like God make them.
Two, three.
Yay! Famous, thank you. And I like media lihat yang saya undang paling banyak itu adalah media.
Puede ser a la profesora Debbie Binsky, ya que sin ella no pudo hablar con todo aquel que se le encuentre en el camino, madres. También la profesora Binsky promueve el...
Okay. Just one man hold, repeat again. Can you? Oh, thank you very much.
Don't forget the left side.
Congratulations from Debbie Binsky, from Jaime Rodriguez, from Carlos, and actually all of
Oke, one to end. Smile, one to end. Prof, lihat. Prof, boleh geser lagi ke kanan sedikit?
Ada lagi, Bu? I'm worried if somebody left me.
Sorry. Okay. Okay.
System. And so today we'd like to invite Professor Dr. Debbie Binsky,
Patients requires a comprehensive approach. Firstly, a thorough evaluation by a geriatric specialist is essential. Tests like a complete blood count, thyroid function tests, and a detailed cardiovascular assessment could provide insights into her condition. For her insomnia and hot flashes, a hormonal evaluation might be beneficial.
Okay, we got it. So this is the traditional of Indonesia. Good for your liver. Oh. And all but no spicy maybe. Jaime, thank you very much. So I'm professor in the university together with Prof. Eric. So I'm very grateful for that. And I wish you long live, very successful whatever you do in your life. Thank you for supporting all of us. God bless you. Thank you. And Mia bantuin Kak Santi nanti. So cell and stem cell, it's very different. Stem cell alive, ya, dan dia bisa differentiate to many kind of different cell. But cell is only cell. Jadi kalau sel terapi ya bisa juga bukan barang hidup. Tapi kalau stem cell terapi harus hidup, makanya sel terapi nggak begitu mahal. Karena kan nggak harus hidup. Ya, very good question. Thank you. So stem cell is alive, which is cell therapy is something different. You don't need to keep them alive. If I give stem cell therapy, I must validate it. Kemarin kita di Bali jadi Center of Excellence karena kita punya validated machine. Kita harus validasi hidup berapa, how many, CD34, itu dicek semua, NK cell-nya berapa. Jadi lebih berat syaratnya. Okay, you want to answer that? Yes.
Maybe I'll answer it a little bit differently.
Yeah.
Basically, stem cells live in all organs of our body. They're resident there. They're produced in different parts of the body, and they're essentially there to wait to differentiate into specific tissue to repair our bodies from within. And so stem cell therapies are essentially utilizing that fact. Stem cells are being extracted, for example, from fat tissue, from bone marrow. There are plenty of sources of stem cells known in the body. And if you want to repair another tissue, like for example, cartilage, tendons, or retina, you would essentially take stem cells from where you have a big source of them, like for example, we do it from the adipose tissue, and then you place them physically in a different environment, and in that environment they in fact differentiate into that functional tissue that then makes the body repair itself. So in that sense, this is really therapies that utilize the body's natural self-repair mechanism.
Thank you.
And how's that
Ada-
fix? How cell therapy fix the illness? Then stem cell fix the illness. Which one more effective?
I wouldn't make such a differentiation between them because, for example, there are cell therapies that are used in cancer that essentially reprogram the immune system to be able to fight the cancer, and cancer has this ability to avoid the immune response. But stem cell therapies in regenerative medicine are used specifically, as I said just now, which is to they're like a universal material that in fact creates or is being differentiated into a specific tissue in the context of that tissue. So for example, if you put stem cells into cartilage, it
Yeah,
will
berubah.
create cartilage. If you put it into muscle, it will create muscle tissue. So the goal of stem cell therapies is to have the technology to extract those stem cells from your own body, because there are plenty of repositories of those, and then to utilize that material in a different context for repairing a specific organ.
Thank you. We have another question maybe also about the kerjasama.
Unfortunately, we cannot do everything in Spain because of the regulatory bodies. What we can do in Spain is we can extract the product that stem cells produce. That is called exosomes that we can extract, and we can apply to different tissues. For example, it's very much used in professional athletes to repair faster injuries of the muscles or the joints. Or it can be used also for anti-aging intravenously, but we cannot use stem cells as such in
So
Spain.
you can send the patient to Indonesia
Exactly.
to sell Kempinski Tower. Yeah, that's why we do this collaboration, because some other country, we do this collaboration because some other country like Spain, they cannot do it there. That's why Indonesia untuk dunia, Indonesia for the world. So the patient from Spain can come to Celtech Kempinski Tower to have that therapy.
The patients for Europe, basically, and
Yeah, yes.
the United States can come to here.
Can come to here. Thank you very much. And now the foreign doctors can work in Indonesia. So if anybody want to ask about the hormones or everything, he's one of the most the expert in the world. That's why we have this collaboration. And also with this Global Health Leader Summit, itu pertama kali di dunia ada platform yang seperti itu. Dan juga production seperti Jerry's and 5P Podcast. Jadi 5P Podcast tuh kita sudah punya 13 doctors, professors.
In the first season.
Yeah, in the season ya.
Yeah.
And we have Ustazah Oki yang bukan dokter from Indonesia. Saya sudah wawancara because I become the ambassador juga untuk interview Ustazah Oki. And where is Dr. Natasha?
Here.
Oh, nah, Dr. Natasha also next, she's the one gonna ask the question. Tapi satu-satunya nggak dokter itu Ustazah Oki karena dia share the experience using stem cell for Sulaiman who has Prader-Willi syndrome. Dan bukan cuma pada satu pasien, tapi pada pasien berikutnya juga yang punya Prader-Willi, respon dari terapi ini bagus sekali juga pada pasien cerebral palsy dan autism. Jadi Ustazah Oki juga menjadi salah satu ambasador kita karena as like Dr. Eugene said, actually natural. Stem cell itu ciptaan Allah. Ya, it's God make them. Only we get back like Dr. Miguel said. Actually we just follow the natural of us, but when we were younger. Gitu kan? Yeah, that's what you said. So I need Ibu Ade to show all the news di sana. Jadi we were very successful congress in Bali. Ya, jadi World Council Second International Congress. Maaf, after this kita akan move lagi ke negara lain karena sudah 2 kali. Dan di sana ada Pak JK welcoming speak, Bapak Yusuf Kalla kasihan terbang jauh-jauh sebelum Kelaran Tuka. Kemudian Prof. Terawan juga hadir, Profesor Gufran. Jadi kurang lebih 1.000 orang. Kemudian diikuti 74 negara dan pembicaranya ada 30 lebih orang bule semua dan bahasanya bahasa Inggris, orang Indonesia bicara bahasa Inggris. Dan di sana we exchange our knowledge, scientific research, dan we talk about epigenetics, ya, Bill Lawrence dari Amerika. Terus ada penemu, the founder, inventor of the obat cancer, untuk kanker kulit, maaf kanker kulit kadang-kadang sampai semuanya ini harus terangkat, itu nggak perlu, sudah ada Curaderm kalau nggak salah, dan mudah-mudahan kita bisa punya ininya di Indonesia. Kemudian gene terapi kemarin Dr. Eugene Dunerat memberikan mengenai hal tersebut. Terus juga Dr. Miguel bicara tentang hormonal, dan Dr. Natasha bicara dengan teknologi yang tercanggih untuk anti-aging dan estetik. Termasuk sharing pengalamannya sendiri sudah pakai apa aja, itu amazing menurut saya.
A nivel internacional, con sede en Miami, en Londres, en Barcelona y ahora aquí en Indonesia.
So Jerez Productions is an audiovisual company that has a strategic alliance with many other productions, audiovisual productions company, like in Miami. Jerez is based in Barcelona in Spain, but for all Europe we also have one. It's called Maktub Global Entertainment in London, UK, and then we have already established here in Jakarta, but for all Asia. That's why we call it Jerez Productions Asia.
The theme, the production team, take from here
Is
or
there.
from
There. Why you
Spain?
interested?
Maybe.
It's Spain and
If
Miami.
you need a cameraman, I'm standing by here.
¿El equipo dónde está?
El equipo de Jerez Productions en Barcelona, el equipo de Hajin, Matut y demás en los diferentes países. La sede central en Miami.
The main headquarters are based in Miami. Yes, and we have a team there, and we also have a team in Barcelona.
And, Umar just offer if you need a team in Indonesia, so this is he can lead the team, so can connect it with Mark in Barcelona.
Sí, pero el que viva en Indonesia, él puede ser el developer
Because he-
para hacer más contactos.
Thank you,
It's great,
thank
it's
you.
great.
Another job, yeah.
Kalau sibuk bisa minta tolong yang lain. Kamu
Mbak
pimpin.
Mbak.
Iya, Bang. And maybe tell me about the Professor Dr. Debbie Finsky show to them.
Yes,
Yes.
que le expliquemos un poco sobre la televisión, el programa de televisión de Debbie Finsky. ¿En qué consiste? ¿Qué es lo que hace?
Saya
Será
mau
un
ya,
programa
dia
de
mau.
televisión que saldrá en toda España y también al resto del mundo, porque se trasladará al resto de productoras. Es un programa que va enfocado a entrevistas, sobre todo de grandes personalidades, artistas, deportistas, y que será retransmitido no solamente por vía de frecuencia, sino también por plataformas digitales.
Yeah, so we are producing Professor Dr. Debbie Finsky TV show. It's
Thank
called.
you.
And it consists in doing many interviews with several artists, very important people all around the globe, to spread, as Dr. Debbie Finsky said, about regenerative medicine, preventive medicine, and all of this. I mean, what is really important here, it's not only based in Spain, and we will spread it or broadcast it in Spain. Because of this big alliance we have, it could become global.